Good. Hope you're good. So feel welcome to this short lesson that is the sketching the graph of an equation. I've already introduced to you what the x-axis and the vertical axis are. So I just wanted to give a small demonstration, or a quick demonstration on how to sketch a given equation. So here you are told to sketch the graph of y equals to -2 plus 7. Now I've tried to provide the solution to this problem, and I've said you can begin by constructing a table of values for y is equals to -2x plus 7. I want you to realize that for you to come up with a clear table, first of all you have to choose the range of values of x, and then you have to evaluate the values of y. Now for this case, for example, I've decided to have a range of x from -1 to +5. Now I've said if I choose x to be -1, then place here -1, then I'll get the value of y is 9. I choose x to be 0, then I place here, I get 7, place here, get 5, and so on up to 5, where I place 5 here, I get -3. Once I've constructed this table of values, then with this table of values, you have found the 7 solutions. Remember, these are solutions because if you substitute them in the real equation, this one, then you realize that the answer is actually the same. This satisfies the equation. So we found the 7 solutions, that is -1907, 1523, 31, and 4, -1, lastly 5, -3. Now once I have those solutions, I proceed on by plotting the points on the graph, and once I plot these points on the graph, I realize that it is a straight line, as you can actually see there. So I'll actually point those points, which is the first one, we got it as -1 goes to 9, 0 goes to 7, 1 goes to 5, and then 2 goes to 3, and then we had this one, and then we had at 4 coming to -1. So by plotting this one, realize the pattern that is coming out is a straight line. Then we say take a ruler and join those points with a straight line, and the line that is coming up is now what we call the graph of y equals to -2 plus 7. I believe you can actually be able to understand and master that concept of curve sketching, or coming up with the graph of an equation. And I've said for you to come up with that graph of an equation, first of all you have to construct a table of values that satisfies that equations, and then you go plot those points on the graph, then realize the kind of the line that is coming out, and then lastly join those points either to each other, either to form a straight line or a curve, depending with those equations. Thank you, and follow me for more lessons to come. Thank you.